300 horsepower.
You feel the torque.
V8 stuff.
For as heavy as this car is.
3,900 pounds.
That's it? That's actually lighter than my M5.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll try it with the windows up.
Yeah, it's different with the windows up. It's like you get the same reaction, but not the same.
Yeah. Dang, yeah, it's like super quiet.
It is. It's like
zero drone.
Now, if you got the windows up and you do a cold start, the cold start on this thing is pretty loud.
Yeah. Dude, that's...
You see how like different the sound is?
Yeah, it's completely different. And it sounds like the exhaust is so far away. I mean, I know it's a long car, but it sounds like...
It's like all the way in.